Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a set of animation sprite sheets for showing addition of an attribute on a battler by Prism++, a pack of desert-themed enemy battlers by Robert Pinero, 20 tracks of horror music by Void One Gaming. In plugin releases for today we have an MV and MZ plugin by Monokura that reverses how HP and MP is displayed. Instead of HP/MP lost, it allows us to show HP/MP that is gained. An MZ plugin by Denis Kuznetsov that allows us to add animated icons into message windows. A pack of Dinosaur sprites by Awaragi. And lastly, we have loads of new tilesets. Demon World Floor Tiles by SCW. An Ancient Forest by Sazadi Art. And 3 packs of retro RPG tilesets by Griffin Blade. RPG Essentials, Core Art, and Exploring the Depths. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.